Hello everyone, this is fresh spring roll, rice paper roll, summer roll, or gói cuon. There are many names to these guys, and to me, this is one of Vietnam's greatest culinary creation, made with poached shrimp, fine rice noodle, fresh mint, lettuce, cucumber, and sweet pickled carrots and daikon. Gói cuon are wrapped in rice paper and dipped in a delicious savory sauce. Similar to a salad that has been rolled up, these are usually eaten as a snack or appetizer, but I normally eat about 3 or 4 rolls, and that would be my dinner. I never get tired of eating them. I switch it up with different types of proteins and veggies. In this video, I will show you how to make these rolls step by step, so stay tuned. So if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so that way you'll be notified when I have a new video uploaded. So the first step is to poach the protein. I am using shrimp today. What I have in the boiling water is just slices of ginger to add some flavor. Get that all in there. Probably need to cook for about 2 minutes. This looks like it's done here. The next step is to prepare the fine rice noodle. There's no cooking, but you do need to soak it in hot water for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So I'm just gonna do is soak this guy in here. Normally have to use a timer for this, otherwise I'll forget. And then after that's done, I'm just going to take this over the sink, dump it out, and rinse it with cold water. And there you go, you have fresh noodles for the spring roll. Assemble the rice paper roll. Fill a large bowl with warm water. Dip 1 sheet of rice paper halfway into the water and quickly rotate to moisten the entire sheet. Lay the wet rice paper on the flat work board or a plate. Arrange 1 lettuce leaf over the bottom of the rice paper. Top with mint leaves, cucumber, pickled carrots and daikon, and if you don't have the pickle, use fresh carrots or jicama or other vegetables that you have. I like to use the pickled carrots and daikon in a roll for the crunchy texture as well as tangy taste. Top with the noodle and fold the bottom end up over the filling. Place 3 pieces of the shrimp, cut side up and end to end in a roll on the rice paper. Fold in the left and the right side of the paper. Continue rolling as tightly as possible until you have a tight cylinder shape. Repeat with the remaining ingredients. Dip the water in your smooth surface on the board. And get a piece of lettuce here. Put in your mint. Pile in the mint, and then the vegetable of your choice. I'm using cucumber, carrots, and daikon. And then I'm going to put in my noodles. Go ahead and fold that in. Secure that. And then pile in the shrimp. 3 shrimp per rice paper. That's pretty good. Dipping sauce here. I have crushed garlic. Just gonna saute with sesame seed oil. Heat should be low to medium. I'm gonna add in 1/3 cup of hoisin sauce. And I'm using Korean chili paste. Add water. Peanut butter. Get that. And 2 teaspoons of rice powder. So this is perfect. If you like the sauce to be more loose, you can add in coconut water for sweetness and flavor. I normally would do that, except I don't have any in the house today. Yeah. So this is just the right thickness that I want the sauce to be. So perfect blend of hoisin, peanut butter, Korean chili paste, and rice powder. So this is my recipe for the spring roll dipping sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and I hope to see you back here at the next video.